Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Android is updated and the printer supports Bluetooth Classic or BLE. Once the printer is powered and discoverable, open Android settings and tap Bluetooth. Scan for devices and tap the printer name. If a PIN appears, enter the code from the printer label or manual. Make sure pairing completes. You should see Connected or Paired. This initial link creates the wireless channel Android apps will use to send print jobs. Once paired, install the printer's official app or a trusted generic Bluetooth printer app from Google Play. You do this because apps expose settings, paper size, character encoding, and margin offsets that match the printer's firmware. Make sure to grant permissions, location for Bluetooth scanning, storage for file access. Then open the app, select the paired device, and apply the correct profile thermal/inkjet so the prints align properly. If available, print a test page from the app to verify. You finish by sending a practical test, a small text or photo from files or the printer app. Verify alignment and character encoding. If content looks wrong, change encoding or paper size and retry. If printing fails, first toggle Bluetooth and repair the devices, then reboot both phone and printer. Make sure the printer battery and paper are fine and check for firmware or app updates. One key troubleshooting tip. Enable app logging or view Android's paired device settings to confirm the active connection before blaming hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.